It's day 2, which means it's officially the beginning of our safari tour. We are checking out of this hotel in Nairobi. From this hotel in Nairobi, we just got our breakfast done, and we'll be meeting our tour guide downstairs. The call time was 7 a.m. It's 7:15 right now. He'll be picking us up, and then we start our journey to Amboseli. So follow along. This is gonna be our car for the next 7 days. You also have a fridge here with a lot of water. Guys, we're beginning the journey now. Obo. And we have a lot of features with this car. You have a holder, you also have phone charging, you have a fridge like I mentioned, and you also have Wi-Fi on the go. And this place opens up. So let's see.
Nairobi. It comes from the north side. Means a place of cool water.
Welcome to our house for the next 2 days. This is the PRARO Zebra Plain Safari, and this is our tent. Let's take you inside. On that side there's also Mount Kilimanjaro, which is currently covered by clouds, so we can't really see it, but they say tomorrow early morning around 6:30 is when it gets cleared up, so it'll be visible. For now I'll show you the stay. Let's go. So this is the tent that we have. It's a very new resort because the most famous one here is Amboseli Sopa Lodge, which we thought we've booked, but there was a little confusion because they booked this one thinking this is the newest one and there'll be much cleaner, less crowd. I think there are just 2-3 guests here. So 1 to 3 we have our lunch. Right now it's 1:30. I think we'll go grab lunch after this, but for now I'll show you our house, as they said. So as soon as you enter, you have a luggage area, then you have 2 umbrellas because it's also very sunny. You have bathrobes. There's a mini counter here, and they say that to brush your teeth also use the drinking water because the water is good, but it's not safe to to drink it. So you also get drinking water to brush your teeth. After that, you have a very neat and clean washroom. There's this area where you also have drinking water again. There's the toilet area, and then there's the shower area. Then we have a very luxurious bed. It's a tent, so you'll see a lot of wind noise coming in every now and then. There's a small seating area here. There's no TV because you enjoy nature. It's Nature Pro Max. And then this is our view. So once you step out of this, you have a private seating area and then a dining kind of an area, and that's where you see a lot of animals. Basically you're in middle of the jungle, so they said that please keep the door locked all the times because there are chances baboons might enter. There is an electric fence there, so you don't have a lot of zebras or giraffes or lions coming in because those animals actually roam around here. Even when we were coming, we spotted a giraffe and a new animal that I just discovered called gerenuk. It has the neck of a giraffe and a body of a deer, or a body of an impala, I don't remember, but it's a mini version of a giraffe, and it's apparently rare to spot it, but we could spot it, so that's a great start to the safari. This is our room. We also have some mosquito nets which they are going to come and set up later at night because there are a lot of mosquitoes here. So for now we'll go grab lunch, and then we have a game drive at 3:30. So we're going to spot a lot of African elephants, giraffe and zebra there. So excited for that, and of course I'm going to take you around. So let's go have lunch. We've come for lunch. We have some pork chops with mashed potatoes and spinach. This is the dining area. From the dining area, if you walk here, there's an electric fence which is really strong because it's to stop the elephants. But there's also a water hole, as they call it, and the elephants come here to drink water, so we might be lucky to spot some in the morning. Correction and information: not to drink water but to take shower. They are not like untidy people. They take shower regularly. This is the pool area. It's leopard, lion, elephant, rhinoceros. I don't know the fifth one. Buffalo. So the wild beast, the pumba, hyena, vulture, and there's another one which he said are the ugly five. We're all waiting to spot the lion because someone gave a tip that there are lions sleeping here. Yeah, the ears are also very different. Oh, for dinner we have some grilled veg, potatoes, 2 types of sauce with grilled lamb and fish, and some chapati as well. And then we'll have dessert. For desserts, as usual, Deepak orders the healthier option. I order the sugar one. So guys, we're back from dinner and this was our day 2. It was amazing, a little tiring, and our call time tomorrow is also early morning, 7 o'clock. So we'll be grabbing breakfast at around 6:30, and tomorrow we have a half-day drive. So we start at 7, we go back to Amboseli National Park, but this time we take a different route. So we'll be going towards a lake. Apparently there are a lot of hippopotamus there. So that's the plan, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Till then, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on day 3. Welcome to